लंबे पॉडकास्ट देखने के लिए टाइम नहीं है? Here we come with Beyond the Noise clips. Please subscribe us on this channel also and hear more insights from us. Thank you. TechHR is going on a head-to-head position with Keka, right, which is currently booming the market in the domain of HRMS software. So what's the one thing which TechHR is offering in compared to many industry giant things which they are not offering? As you told कि हमारा approach हुआ that we are the partners. We are not selling you the application. We are giving you a sustainable thing that partner us with the HR software management system. Then it could be great for you to manage many multiple things. And you could also build a community from TechHR. So what's that thing which you felt कि नहीं ये तो मेरे को करना ही है, इतनी बड़ी MNCs इतने सालों से कर ही रही है, तो भी वो लोग को ये मार्केट गैप पता नहीं चला, and which TechHR is currently presuming?
Very honestly saying, Keka, Zoho, many other HR systems are definitely not our competitors because we are not competing for a same space. हम HR के लिए टूल बना ही नहीं रहे. What we are trying to create is, we are trying to, जैसे हमारी कंपनी का मोटो भी है, we are technology partners for your business. We don't want to create just the tools. We don't want to just give you subscription कि आप ये use कर लो, use अच्छा करोगे अच्छा है, बुरा करोगे बुरा है. We don't want to do that. We want कि आप जो use कर रहे हो उससे result भी आए. ERP systems definitely हमारे 25 साल से चल रहे हैं, बट हमें गैप दिखाई दिया कि ERP ही ढंग से यूज नहीं हो रहा बिकॉज द मैन पावर इज नॉट डिसिप्लिन. That's why we created a totally new project, totally new product to cater to business automations on a larger level. So that's where, or that's the unique part of TrackHR. We are not creating an HRMS app. It's not an HRMS solution. It's a place where all of your human resources, the true definition of HR, are in one place.
Correct.
हम चाहते हैं सारे human resources आपस में interact करें. And I think that's the best thing that we have created. A very simple metric that we have observed since 2 years of our usage. हमारे जितने भी users हैं TrackHR के, at least 30 to 35 minutes daily they are interacting with our app.
Okay.
Every organization has all of their employees on this platform and every employee is interacting with our app for 30-35 minutes, which is
In a day. Yeah.
which is very strange for an HRMS system. क्योंकि HRMS में तो लीव डालेगा जब लीव होगी, अटेंडेंस डालेगा जब अटेंडेंस होगी, और वो भी HR ज़्यादा काम करता है. एक एम्प्लॉय या एक टीम मेंबर, मैं भी जब MNC में था, I did not open my payroll system that oftenly.
They are not aligned with that because you are having double the workload, but still a person is investing his 30 to 35 minutes in an application. But you know, what's the one thing which I noticed in the big giants like Zoho, Keka and Odoo is that they are just a software. They are not having that creative side. But TechHR is having a UI in that better way that it feels कि नहीं कुछ अलग आएगा आज.